Patio door installation in Layton, Utah is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options available, including sliding glass doors and French doors, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Patio doors. Layton contractors offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient patio doors in Layton are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to keep homes comfortable year-round, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Patio door experts in Layton, Utah can provide guidance on selecting the best energy-efficient options. Custom patio doors in Layton, Utah allow homeowners to personalize their entryways. Whether you prefer vinyl patio doors or aluminum patio doors, there are numerous styles and brands to choose from. Patio door companies in Layton offer a wide range of custom solutions to meet individual preferences and needs. Patio door replacement in Layton is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Common issues such as broken patio door locks, damaged patio door screens, and faulty patio door hardware can be addressed by professional patio door services in Layton, Utah. Regular patio door maintenance can prevent costly replacements in the future. Double-pane patio doors. Layton provide excellent insulation, helping to keep homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These doors are a popular choice for those seeking energy-efficient patio doors in Layton, Utah. Patio door contractors in Layton can provide estimates for installing double-pane options. Patio door replacement in Layton is a service that many homeowners require over time. Whether due to wear and tear or a desire for a new look, replacing patio doors can enhance the aesthetic and functionality of a home. Patio door solutions in Layton, Utah include a variety of styles and materials to choose from. Patio door weatherproofing in Layton, Utah is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Proper weatherproofing can prevent drafts and water damage, ensuring your patio doors remain in top condition. Patio door experts in Layton can provide weatherproofing services to enhance the durability of your doors. Patio door cost in Layton varies depending on the type, material, and style chosen. Patio door estimates in Layton, Utah can help homeowners budget for their projects. Whether you're interested in sliding glass doors or French doors, understanding the cost is crucial for planning your patio door installation. Patio door styles in Layton offer a range of options to suit any home design. From traditional French doors to modern sliding glass doors, there is a style to match every aesthetic. Patio door brands in Layton, Utah provide high-quality options that combine functionality with visual appeal. Patio door glass in Layton is available in various types, including clear, frosted, and tinted options. The choice of glass can impact the overall look and energy efficiency of your patio doors, Layton.